Hey guys, it is Scott here. Today we are playing some Rebuild. This game will be linked in the description below if you guys want to play this game. Oh, and before we get into it, don't forget, leave a like and subscribe. They're always appreciated. You guys are the reason I can make my videos. Let's get right in. Okay, name. Oh, what? I didn't choose a name. God, gamer guy. YT. Verify. Continue. Skies. Health. Skies Palace. I don't know if I spelled palace right. Oh. Wait, can I get rid of it? No! Give me it! Okay, leader is Sky the Gamer Guy YT. We're gonna go easy because... Oh no, I think I did a female. Need a tutorial. I've played this game before, guys. I'm sorry about the click thing, I know. Okay. Details. I just want to see. Oh, I scrolled down. Am I a female? No. Okay. You know, there's no food there. I'm going somewhere where I can get some food. Ooh, food. A lot of it. Okay, let's send these out. Let's just end day. Is that all the food you get from a lot of food? No, there's some. Ooh. Okay, let's hope they come back safe. Zombie horde. Guys, unlike the other video, this is actually not that laggy. It's still laggy, but not that bad. I know you guys can see two of my mouses, but deal with it. I don't care, I'm sorry. I can't fix it, not until I get my computer. Oh. Okay, click. Cannot reclaim. No. So, it does change. Okay, I didn't know if it did. No food. There's survivors and some food. We're gonna try and recruit the survivors. Ooh. One of my guys' names is Wolf. Ooh, weird. Okay. Guys, I'm sorry about the face cam. It wasn't working. I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm just lost. So, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I think I said that already, but I don't know. Guys, I will be doing a second video of this. Wait, can I save this? I'm going to turn off harsh language. I don't want tutorial. It does automatically save. Okay, that's good. Most people don't do anything. There's one rule in this town. Don't ever go out alone. They're all doing something. Where? Oh, God. Dang. Oh, my gosh. Guys, that's going to be all for the video. Actually, no. I'll do a video. You guys came here for a video. You want a video. I'll give you a video. Oh, wait. Wow, this is here. Click. Yeah, if I clicked it, I turned that off. Oh, okay, it's still here. I just want to see how much time I have. Okay, I've got 5 minutes. But guys, we're gonna talk. I don't know. Okay. Songs. Guys, I know you can't see it right now. I'm in my files looking for something. We're gonna listen to a song I know has no copyright at all. It's called Battle Scars. I'm gonna be. What? What? Oh, it's because I'm signed into this account. It's because I'm signed into my YouTube account. And of course, I can't change that. Guys, I hate my life. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys my channel and that. Then we're gonna end the video. I'm sorry. I will redo that song, that video again. If you guys really want me to, in the comments below, leave a comment, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. They're always appreciated. But it's over here. Dang, I can't click. Yeah. Wait, that Rosanna Pants, Yep. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all next time. It's Sky, and your time to. Yeah, I'll figure out an outro. Don't.